What's up, everybody? It's me again. Today I'm bringing to you another basic recipe, lemon berries. Now you might be wondering, why a basic recipe? Well, that's simple. It helps you learn those foundational blocks that you need to follow my other recipes. And it's also a great way to get around, let's say you have not enough gelatin, like myself. It saves on that. Anyway, let's stop wasting time and let's get to it, shall we? All right, welcome back, everybody. So, we've got 225 grams corn syrup, 125 grams applesauce, 85 grams lemon gelatin, 30 grams plain gelatin, 2 ounces of your favorite oil, plus 1 level tablespoon lecithin granules, 5 grams cream of tartar, plus 2 pinches malic acid. We will be using Loran bakery emulsion blueberry, bakery emulsion lemon, and some blueberry candy to sweeten it up a bit. Let's go. All right, let's get those dries into the pot. Gelatin, lemon gelatin. Let's get those all stirred up. Now for the wet. First up, corn syrup. Next up, applesauce. Get it all in there. There we go. There we go. All right. Now let's get it all stirred up. You probably thought I was going to do another Elvis thing in there, didn't you? Nah, I got to keep you guys on your toes. All right, that was done. Look at that beautiful color already. Now, we're going to add 2 to 3 capfuls of this. Oh, this stuff smells so good. 1, and it's really thick if you've never used this stuff. 2, and you know what? I'm going to do a half on this one to start, and we'll see where it's at later. And a half. Of course, this wouldn't be a video if I wasn't getting stuff all over the place. All right, and 1 cap of this. Lemon's pretty strong, so we don't want it to overpower the blueberry. Plus the base gelatin being lemon and all. Bloop. Looks like something else, huh? Custard. It looks like custard. And a little bit of this. This is optional, but this does bring a little sweetness out. So we'll do 1 full and about 1/2. Let's stir it up. It'll make a nice, almost brown-like color once you're done. Oh, so fragrant. Oops. Trying not to hit the camera. There it is. What do you think? Let's let that sit for 7 to 10 minutes to bloom, and then we'll get it over there on the stovetop. All right, just added the concentrate to the oil. Now it's time to get it into the pot. Getting it into the pot. Oh, yeah. Just scrape the bowl, make sure you get it all in without hitting the tripod like I do every single time. There we go. And let's get it all stirred up, blend it in and all that fun stuff. Although you know this is not the fun part. I'll see you soon. 3 to 5 minutes. All right, it's finally all done. Now we're going to turn up the heat, get it to rolling boil. Once it's been boiling for a couple minutes, we'll add the acids, and then it's rock and roll, baby. See you soon. There's that roll and simmer. So give it a couple stirs, and then we'll throw in the acids. Bloop, 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 bloop. Now stir them up. Let's get them all incorporated throughout the whole batch. At this point, I also like to turn up the heat, just so it's a quicker evaporation of that excess water. All right, I'm going to continue stirring this for another minute or 2, and then it's time to pour. All right, let's pour, baby. And away we go. Instantly, that smell just hits you. And you'll see, if you decide to run this one, why I love it so much. It just reminds me of spring, summer, heck, even fall, because blueberries and all. Trying to carefully not hit the tripod or the camera, because, you know, that'd be great. I'm hoping to hit 155 pieces or thereabouts. If you hear any weird, strange howling or creaking, we are currently under a very crazy, pretty par for the course of this area, but we have winds in the 45 mile to 55 mile per hour range. Gusts are a little heavier. Things are blowing around in the backyard, which is pretty much what you hear right now. Or maybe you don't hear it. But it's happening. And it looks like it's all, baby. And there you have it. Lemon berries poured and done. Bye. And there's the lemon berries. Can't really get good lighting today. It's raining, but yeah. And there you have it, lemon berries. Pretty simple, right? This has been one of my all-time favorites for the last 7-8 years that I've been making it. And I haven't done so since last summer, so I figured, hey, you know what? It's time. Let's show the people. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you need anything, like always, hit me up. Until next time, I'm Burns. Bye.